Everybody knows Guadalupe, production manager, Washington, D.C. Anyway, out here at the Arrive job. So, Lupe, how's it going out here right now?
Oh, everything going good. Some places we put the double base coat, well, the first base coat, because it's a exposed aggregate, so we have to do 2 base coats. And Manuel is grinding the whatever places we patch the cracks in the joints. For after that, they will vacuum, paper, and start to put WP-50 with the mesh for the cracks. And we will see what they can do today. It's a lot of cracks and concrete come out, but as you see, the guys already fixed the cracks, already fixed the concrete, well, they still don't fix the cracks properly because they still have to put WP-50 in the mesh. But the biggest problem right here was a concrete, bed areas of concrete delamination. But the guys already replaced like 7 pallets of concrete,
Right.
Around 2 pallets of mape. So that was the big problem.
Okay.
In this job.
Isidro was in charge of all the concrete repair out here, which he got done, and now he's joined with Manny and his crew for all the finishing operations. So what he's doing today is he's actually mixing the material that you'll see the guys down here putting the base coat down. So Isidro, tell them a little bit about how you're doing that.
Well, I'm working with the mixing. We got the additive, just get everything prepared to mix and make a nice quality of liquid material. That way the base coat is gonna cover everything. It's gonna be like perfect surfacing. Biggest problem, that's the some areas like, I don't know if you were to see that right there.
Mm-hmm.
There was a lot of concrete, loose concrete, and peeling off a lot of areas. So we put some areas like some material that we call
The mape, the concrete blend, yeah.
and concrete and all of that, yeah.
So good job, man. You guys are doing a good job, and I really, myself, I can't wait till this is done. It's gonna be a really beautiful job.
It's gonna be, yeah.
All right, thanks, Isidro. I don't want to hold you up anymore, buddy.
All right, no problem. Thank you. All right.